in the display by pressing the corresponding button. The screen section of the traffic message list can be moved by pushing and holding the block in the scroll bar and moving it in the required direction. The mobile telephone provision premium is, in combination with a Bluetooth mobile telephone and the RNS 510, a convenient car telephone system. The mobile telephone must conform to the Bluetooth Remote Access Profile, or RSAP for short. Please note when using your telephone in the car that it has a connection to the external aerial, in order to ensure that the electromagnetic waves that are created when the telephone is in use are guided out of the vehicle. Please refer to the important information on this topic in the Owner's Manual, Booklet 3.1, Chapter Operation. You will need to carry out a pairing process before using the premium mobile telephone provision. This can, for safety reasons, only be carried out when the vehicle is stationary. This is how you pair the mobile telephone with the premium mobile telephone provision. Switch on the ignition and then the mobile telephone. Activate the Bluetooth function of your mobile telephone and make it visible for all devices. You should disconnect any other existing Bluetooth connections. Activate the telephone menu in the Combi instrument display. Then select the option Device Search. The name of the telephone will appear in the display once the mobile telephone has been found. Confirm the name. A 16-character password will now appear in the Combi instrument display. Now confirm the connection to the premium mobile telephone provision in your mobile telephone. Within 30 seconds, enter the password in your mobile telephone and confirm the entry on your mobile telephone. The pairing process will be cancelled if you enter an incorrect password or the time runs out. The mobile telephone will otherwise be paired with the premium mobile telephone provision. You will then have to enter the 4-character PIN code of the mobile telephone. Depending on the equipment fitted in your vehicle, the input is made using the external keypad in the dash panel, with the up and down buttons on the steering column, or the up and down buttons on the multifunction steering wheel. Confirm your entry by pressing OK. Two options are now shown in the Combi instrument display: Save and OK. The PIN code will be stored if you select the Save option. It will then no longer be necessary to enter the PIN code every time you use the system. You can give the user profile a name once the system has recognized the SIM card of your mobile telephone. You can use the username suggested by the system or enter your own selection. Now all of the telephone book entries on the SIM card and in the data memory of the mobile telephone are copied to the data memory of the premium mobile telephone provision. The pairing process has now been successfully completed for this mobile telephone. This is how you connect this mobile telephone again once it has been set up. Activate the Bluetooth function of your mobile telephone. If required, confirm the connection to the premium mobile telephone provision in your mobile telephone. You can now use the mobile telephone with the premium mobile telephone. Many functions of your mobile telephone can be controlled via the RNS 510, such as dialing numbers, answering and rejecting calls. I will now show you how you can dial a number from the address book of your mobile telephone. Press the button Phone. This is how you open the telephone book of your mobile telephone. The screen section of the address book list can be moved by pushing and holding the block in the scroll bar and moving it in the required direction. To make a call, press the corresponding entry briefly. Briefly press this button to end the call. Alternatively, you have the option to use the search function. Enter the first letters of the required entry. A display of the address book entries that can still be selected according to your entry can be shown. The required telephone number can also be entered using a keypad at the touch screen. Furthermore, various different telephone shortcut buttons can be assigned for use in the phone main menu. You can, for example, be connected directly to your voicemail box by pressing the touch screen. Enter the voicemail box number the first time you wish to use this function. You can also import numbers from the address book of your mobile telephone if you wish to assign other numbers to the telephone shortcut buttons. I will now show you how to answer an incoming call, how to reject and how to end a call. Your vehicle is equipped with a car radio mute function. This will mute the audio system when an incoming call is received. If your vehicle is equipped with a multi-function steering wheel, you can press the receiver button to answer, reject or end a call. Press the button briefly to accept an incoming call or to end a call. Press and hold the button in order to reject a call. You also have the option to answer, reject or end a call via the RNS touch screen.